Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm showing you where your OBD2 check engine light, ABS light, auxiliary port is located on a Ford Focus and a Ford Escape. On those particular models of Fords, it's located on the driver's side, right under the instrument panel here, under the cluster. And it's actually marked on the panel. Some of them are located up under the column, some of them are way up under the panel by the brake pedal, some are on the passenger side of the vehicle, some are even in the center console by your e-brake handle. I said on your Ford Focus and a Ford Escape, it's located right here on the driver's side of the kick panel, but right at knee height, where your knee's going to hit. And you just pop down on the cover right here. You know, it just rotates down. It's with the handle or the little access hole. You put your fingers up in and pull down, and it rotates down, and it doesn't come off. It just rotates. So don't be Mr. Hercules and rip this cover off and break them tabs. And right there is your port if you're doing check engine light. And then there's a little double-sided clips. Just presses right back up in there. And like I said, that is your OBD2 port on your Ford Fusion and your Ford Escape. Smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.